Hi Sam. I hope you're ready for another exciting vocabulary lesson today.
Hi Alex. I'm always ready. What's the word for today?
Today, we're learning the word.
Zuschauer.
It means viewer or spectator in English.
That sounds interesting. Is that the most common meaning?
Yes, it is the most common meaning. But it can also refer to someone who is just watching an event, like a sports game or a performance. Just remember, it's not a false friend like.
Zuschauen.
Which means to watch.
So, how do I use
Zuschauer.
in a sentence?
Great question.
Zuschauer.
Is a masculine noun, so its article is.
Der.
The plural form is.
Die Zuschauer.
You can say.
Der Zuschauer sieht das Spiel.
Which means the viewer sees the game.
And how would I say that in the past?
In the past, you could say.
Der Zuschauer sah das Spiel.
For the simple past, or.
Der Zuschauer hat das Spiel gesehen.
For the present perfect.
Got it. Do we have an imperative form?
Not really for.
Zuschauer.
Since it's a noun. But if you were to tell someone to watch, you might say.
Schau zu.
Meaning watch.
That's useful. Is there a bit of history behind the word?
Zuschauer.
Absolutely. The word comes from.
Zusehen.
Which means to watch and has roots in Middle High German. It literally means to view someone or something. Over time, it evolved into the noun we use today.
That's fascinating. It's cool how words change over time.
Now, let's break down the word.
Zuschauer.
It consists of the prefix, the root,
Schauen.
and no suffix here. The prefix means to or toward, while
Schauen.
means to look or to watch.
So it's like saying to watch towards something.
Exactly. And since it's a compound word, remember that the gender follows the last noun. Here
Zuschauer.
is based on.
Schauen.
Can you give me some similar words?
Sure. Here are a few examples. First, with the same prefix, you have.
Zuhören.
Which means to listen, and.
Zusehen.
Meaning to watch. Then, for the same root.
Schauen.
We have.
Anschauen.
Meaning to look at, and.
Heranschauen.
Meaning to look closer.
What about the suffix?
For suffixes, we have
Schauer, Regenschauer,
which means rain shower. It's interesting how these words connect.
That's a lot of words. Can we practice using?
Zuschauer,
In real-life situations.
Absolutely. Imagine you're at a concert. You could start with
die Zuschauer genießen die Musik.
which means the spectators enjoy the music.
Let me try.
die Zuschauer tanzen zu der Musik.
Very nice. That means the spectators dance to the music.
What's another situation?
Picture a sports event. You might say,
Die Zuschauer jubeln für ihr Team.
which means the spectators cheer for their team.
Die Zuschauer freuen sich über den Sieg.
Is that okay?
Perfect. That means the spectators are happy about the victory.
Can we do one more?
Sure. Think of a theater performance. You could say,
Die Zuschauer applaudieren nach der Vorstellung.
which means the spectators applaud after the performance.
I'll try.
Die Zuschauer sind begeistert von dem Schauspiel.
Great job. That means the spectators are thrilled by the play.
What about remembering the gender for?
Zuschauer,
A good hint is that it ends with, which often indicates masculine nouns in German. You could visualize a man watching a game, for example.
That's a helpful image.
Now, let's touch on some usage notes.
Zuschauer,
Is generally neutral, so you can use it in both formal and informal settings. Typical phrases might include
die Zuschauerzahlen steigen.
meaning the viewer numbers are increasing, or
Ein Zuschauer beschwert sich.
meaning a viewer is complaining.
Are there any similar words I should watch out for?
Yes, watch out for
Zuschauer,
and,
Zuschauerschaft.
which means audience. They are often confused because they sound similar but refer to different concepts.
Alright, let's see if I remember everything. Can you quiz me?
Sure. What's the plural form of?
Zuschauer,
Is it
die Zuschauer,
Correct. What does it mean in English?
viewer or spectator?
Great. How do you say the viewer sees the game in German?
der Zuschauer sieht das Spiel.
Right again. What's the simple past of?
sehen.
Sah,
Exactly. Last question. What's a good mnemonic for remembering the gender?
The ending represents a man watching something.
Fantastic job today, Sam. Remember
Zuschauer,
is a key word for anyone who enjoys events. Keep practicing, and you'll become even more confident with your vocabulary.
Thanks, Alex. I'm excited to use it more.